On November 16, 2022, NASA's Artemis 1 mission marked the beginning of a new era in space exploration, testing systems designed to take humans back to the moon and beyond. The Black Arrow, Britain's only successful rocket, launched the Prospero satellite in 1971, marking the UK's debut in space exploration. The Electron rocket, a modern innovation by Rocket Lab, specializes in launching small satellites, proving that size doesn't limit ambition. The Minotaur rockets repurposed military missile technology for peaceful space exploration, showcasing innovation through adaptation. The Atlas SM-65 and Atlas LV-3B evolved from missiles to launch vehicles, with the LV-3B sending John Glenn into orbit aboard Friendship 7. The Sputnik rocket launched the world's first satellite in 1957, igniting the space race, followed by the Vostok rocket, which carried Yuri Gagarin, the first human in space. The Vega rocket highlighted Europe's precision in launching satellites, while the Soyuz MS-05 carried astronauts to the International Space Station for decades. Japan's H1IA and HIEIB rockets demonstrated advanced engineering, supporting missions to the ISS, while India's GSLV Mk3 symbolized national pride with lunar missions. The Delta II rocket was a pillar of reliability, launching interplanetary missions like the Mars rovers, while China's Long March 3B ventured to the moon's far side. The Ariane V became Europe's workhorse for heavy payloads like the James Webb Telescope, and the Energia rivaled the space shuttle in reusable technology. The Falcon 9 revolutionized spaceflight with reusability, while the Falcon Heavy raised the bar with record-breaking payloads. The Saturn V, the most powerful rocket ever built, carried humanity to the moon, including the legendary Apollo 11 mission. Finally, the Starship, SpaceX's cutting-edge rocket, aims to take humanity to Mars, embodying the future of interplanetary exploration.
Attention all flight crew members, this is the final go-no-go poll for operations. Raptor 1.
Raptor 1's go.
Raptor 2. Go. Stage 1. Go. Stage 2. Go. Flight directors go for launch. We have liftoff.
Vehicles pitching downrange. Max Q.
Ship engine startup.
Stage separation.
Booster back burn.
On Ovian 0, 30 seconds, he'll catch decision.
Confirming 30 seconds to make that decision.
10 seconds, he'll catch decision.
Hot stage separation confirmed.
Flight directors go for booster return. Operator go vote is set true. We are go for catch.
Booster coming in hot for booster catch.
Booster FTS is saved.
I can't wait for us to hear the sonic boom.
Booster landing burn startup.
We can see those trucks
Zero has caught the booster.
Ship avionics power telemetry nominal.
Starship has entered the atmosphere. Starship is approaching the peak heating phase of entry.
Landing bird startup.
Starship is on target. Starship has landed.
Liftoff. We have a liftoff at 16 minutes after the hour. Climbing very nicely. Roll program completed and exhibit report. And the pitch program has been initiated. Surgeon is go. 40 seconds in and the surgeon says everything looks fine. Mark 50 seconds in, we're go. We're go, flight looks good. We're go, flight 5-6 on the camera. Guidance reports a go. The flight trajectory looks very, very close to right on the nominal base. Looks good. Flight data pretty noise, but we're okay. And the trajectory plot is right on the lines, right, both in lofting and all other elements. We're right on the money.
Which way? Our spacecraft rates are up about 1 degree per second in pitch and yaw, and about 0.5 degree per second in roll. I'm not satisfied with the picture that I've got yet. Okay. Now don't get back there where the I'm not behind it. I'm right above my head. Yes, sir. My head about. Really be it, huh? Yeah. I'm still not satisfied with the picture that I get. I'm only talking about 3.
Standing by for the first launch of humans from Space Launch Complex 40.
7, 6, 5, 4, 3, 2, 1. Ignition. Ignition full power. And liftoff of Crew 9. Go SpaceX, go Falcon, go NASA.
Liftoff of Crew 9 now soaring to the International Space Station.
Stage 1 Alpha.
Stage 1, propulsion is nominal. Copy, 1 Alpha.
Those 9 Merlin engines now providing 1.7
for our
million
first stage and our Crew 9 astronauts happening here at the same time. into Dragon's trunk, looking at the heat shield on the bottom of Dragon that Crew 9 will use when it returns home early next year.
Dragon SpaceX, Dragon separation confirmed.
There.
And Freedom copies, good separation.
There you heard from Mission Control. Both
Dragon Chief Engineer on countdown 1. Nick, Alex, on behalf of the entire team, we thank you for flying with Falcon 9 today and wish you a great mission.
And Freedom, this is Launch Director on countdown. On behalf of the entire SpaceX Launch and Recovery team, I'd like to extend our congratulations to the entire Crew 9 team. Zena, Stephanie, Nick, Alex, Butch, and Sunny. It was an honor to be a part of this mission with all of you. I'd also like to give a shout out to the Falcon 9 Crew 9 combo. The best bundle in the league, baby. Godspeed, Crew 9.
Couldn't say it any better. Thank you, guys. You know, we had the opportunity to meet so many people that were involved with the Falcon 9, and along the way was a sweet ride. I'm pretty sure my youngest son would say it was Sigma. Alex has got a few words to add as well.
All the agencies that made this launch possible. Roscosmos, NASA, SpaceX. And thank you to my family and friends for their support. And also I'd like to express my gratitude to the hundreds of thousands of people around the world who are involved in the development of space technologies and to move humanity forward. Today's launch is also their accomplishment. Хочу сказать спасибо Роскосмосу, НАСА совместно со SpaceX за успешный запуск человека на орбиту, за очередной успешный запуск, и также благодарить.
On November 16, 2022, NASA's Artemis 1 mission marked the beginning of a new era in space exploration, testing systems designed to take humans back to the moon and beyond. The Space Launch System, SLS, built for this mission is the most powerful rocket in the world. But just how massive is it? Standing at an impressive height of 322 feet, taller than the Statue of Liberty, the Artemis rocket weighs an incredible 5.75 million pounds, equivalent to the weight of 450 elephants. To lift such a colossal rocket into space and send the Orion capsule to the moon, a highly advanced system of engines and boosters is required. The rocket is powered by 2 solid rocket boosters, which burn approximately 6 tons of solid propellant per second to lift it off the ground. Assisting them are 4 engines located at the base of the core stage, consuming over 1,500 gallons of liquid propellant every second. Above the core stage sits the Orion spacecraft. Its launch abort system is designed to protect the crew during launch. The Orion crew module, where astronauts will stay on future missions, is an essential part of this system. However, Artemis 1 is an uncrewed mission, meaning no humans were on board for this test. The service module of Orion houses its propulsion system, featuring a single engine capable of delivering nearly 25,000 pounds of thrust to push the spacecraft toward the moon. The launch begins when the core stage engines ignite, followed by the solid rocket boosters. As the rocket powers through the sky, its speed rapidly increases. Countdown to launch begins with the hydrogen burn-off igniters at T-7 seconds. At ignition, Artemis 1 takes flight, lifting off with the declaration, "We rise together, back to the moon and beyond." 2 minutes into the flight, the solid rocket boosters are jettisoned once their job is complete.
Here we go.
10.
Hydrogen burn-off igniters initiated. 7, 6, 5. Four-stage engine start. 3, 2, 1. Boosters in ignition. And liftoff of Artemis 1. We rise together, back to the moon and beyond.
Shortly after, the launch abort system detaches from the top of the crew module. The core stage engines continue propelling the spacecraft to speeds exceeding 17,000 miles per hour before they, too, separate. The interim cryogenic propulsion stage, ICPS, then provides a final push, thrusting Orion onto its trajectory toward the moon. About 2 hours after launch, the ICPS separates, leaving Orion to travel the rest of the journey on its own. It took Orion several days to reach the moon, where it remained in a distant orbit for nearly a week. After completing its lunar journey, Orion began its return to Earth, facing its ultimate test. As it re-entered Earth's atmosphere, Orion reached speeds of 25,000 miles per hour and endured extreme temperatures of nearly 5,000 degrees Fahrenheit. A sequence of parachutes deployed to slow the spacecraft to about 20 miles per hour, enabling a safe splashdown in the Pacific Ocean. Artemis 1 represented a historic milestone, paving the way for humanity's return to the moon and beyond. It was a defining step for the Artemis generation, taking us further into space than ever before.
Engine running. Liftoff.
Booster ignition and liftoff.
32 minutes past the hour. Liftoff on Apollo 11. Houston, Discovery, roll program. Tower clear.
Here we got a roll program. Neil Armstrong reporting the roll and pitch program, which puts Apollo 11 on a proper heading. Plus 30 seconds.
Seconds into the flight. Discovery 22 miles in altitude, 23 miles downrange, standing by for solid rocket booster separation.
11, this is Houston. You are go for staging. Over.
Understand, go for staging. Board cutoff.
Thrusters go, all engines, you're looking good.
Hi, Roger, you're loud and clear, Houston. We got skirt step.
Roger, we confirm skirt step.
Tower's gone.
Roger, tower.
Houston, be advised the visual is go today.
is Houston. Roger out. Houston, your guidance is converged. You're looking good. Houston, you are go at 4 minutes. Roger. Houston, you are go at 5 minutes. Roger, you're Apollo 11, go. To S4B to COI capability. Okay. Mark, S4B to COI capability. Roger. Roger 11, your go from the ground at 6 minutes. Apollo 11, this is Houston, level sense arm at 8+17, outboard cutoff at 9+11. This is Houston. Roger, your go from the ground at 7 minutes. Level sense arm at 8+17. Outboard cutoff at 9+11. Roger. Outboard cutoff. Your go at 8 minutes. I've just built the mixture ratio ship.
And main engine cutoff has been confirmed. Flight Dynamics reporting a nominal main engine cutoff. And separation from the external tank.
11, this is Houston. You are go for staging. Over.
Understand. Go for staging.